Good morning, guys. Lisa for wtfLisaTarot. And my ear is Betty Davis eyes. I don't know all the words to this, so it'll be a little interesting. Kim Carnes. Her hair is hollow gold. And it's sweet surprise. Her hands are never cold. She's got Betty Davis eyes. Her music on you. Won't have to think twice. Some New York snow. She got Betty Davis eyes. Oh, someone intuitive. We got the Hierophant, and she'll tease you. She'll unease you. All the better just to please you. She's precocious. Tell me about this intuitive woman. She's got verbal something. Got a Garbo stand-up size. She's got Betty Davis eyes. I'm having too much fun, the High Priestess. She'll let you take her home to something your appetite. She'll lay you on the throne. She got Betty Davis eyes. She's magic, man. Really like you or dies. Until you come unglued or something. Is that what she said? She'll expose you. I need coffee. Something with the crumb she throws you. She's ferocious. Rawr. I like this girl. Who is this girl? All the boys think she's a spy. She got Betty Davis eyes. Interesting, a 2-cup situation. A victory, a celebration, Betty Davis eyes. Very spiritual woman, just had a victory. Oh, she's looking away like maybe she's humble. Like, yeah, I did. It's no big deal. But yes, I did. I did have a victory. She hasn't bragged at all. She hasn't talked about it at all. Oh, the boys think she's a spy. I keep hearing that. But she has a victory. She won a victory, or is about to. I mean, it seems to me she already won by having Betty Davis eyes. That's pretty cool, but that 2 of Cups. She'll tease you, the Hanged Man. She'll unease you. Just to please you. She's got Betty Davis eyes. I'm going to have fun all day today now. The rest of my day, I'll just be like looking at the dog. You've got Betty Davis eyes. This song makes me, Here we go. We got that same thing. Stalker energy, the Hanged Man. Somebody that has nothing to do with this woman. Oh, dear God. And the divinals, I touched myself. I love myself. Oh, God. Boner energy. Hopefully this is different from that stalky ex-boyfriend energy. I did a reading earlier about a karmic ex watching somebody. I hope this is something different. Clarify this Page of Swords. When you think about to touch myself. That part's clear. Clarify. Oh my God. Oh, and then this is falling out of my ear. Like, this is personal. I need to leave him alone with his lotion. Like, why am I laughing? Okay, tell me about this. When you're the sun that makes me shine. When you're around, I'm always laughing. I'm laughing. I want to make you mine. Okay, so someone's maybe watching a... So we have an emperor watching Betty Davis eyes, thinking about her. just how much I adore you. Get on my knees. I'd do anything for you. He says, when I think about you, I touch myself. Oh, I believe that. That is honest. He touches himself a little too much. I heard, oh no. Yeah. What are the intentions of this hanged man emperor? Look, even if you look, in one hand he's got a gun and when he's holding a, I don't know, a scepter. He loves himself. And he wants you too. The motives of this emperor. Five of Coins is a material struggle. Sometimes when I do readings, I'll read this as options, but bad options. Material struggle. When I think about you, I touch myself. He's struggling to stop touching himself. Maybe he's running out of tube socks. I want you. I don't want nobody else. And when I think about you, I touch myself. That says, guy, ooh. Seven of Coins. Give me some more energy. The Seven of Coins. The Seven of Coins is alright. Maybe this person was struggling for a little bit. They're starting to be a little better. I touch myself. She's repeating it over and over. Like, Seven of Swords. I see. Clarify the Seven of Swords. I just keep hearing I touch myself. Maybe they do it 7 times a day. Eight of Wands. Two of Swords. Call me maybe. I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me to ever tell. Seven of Wands. Nine of Cups. And a Knight of Coins. I trade my soul for a wish. Like they want to communicate. After struggling, going through some shit, maybe their own mental deception, whatever. Hey, I just met you. This is crazy, but here's my number. Call me, maybe. 1 second. There's still something off to me. Like this Ember had to get his shit together. Is this a genuine Ember? I mean, it's fucking Scarface on the card. Seven of Cups. I don't know, man. I feel like this guy's 2 cups short. You know what I mean? Here we have a 9 of Cups. Like he wants to offer something, but he doesn't quite have enough. I beg and borrow still. Is this a new person? A new Emperor or an old Emperor? Because that would clarify so much. 6 of Swords, a Magician. Hey, I just met you and this is crazy. King of Coins in the Tower. 1 second. All the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number. A new opportunity. It's a new Emperor. This is a new one. Oh, thank God, because I just had a reading about a karmic one that was watching this girl, and I thought it was the same thing. No. So yeah, he is watching and kind of spanking it, but he's the hangman not because he's in trouble, but because he hasn't come forward yet. He hasn't told you. He's struggling to kind of get his shit together, and he's just struggling to come up with a good way to approach you with a good offer. And he's working on it, but he's not quite ready. So like 9 of Cups, he's working on it, but he's only at 7 of Cups. So he's not quite there yet. He wants to communicate. He wants to tell you. Like, he's trying to make this happen, but there was a situation, and that affected his finances. But he is coming in with a new offer. Either that or his original plan, whatever it was, isn't going to work. Something happened, and he can't do it right now, but he's getting it together and it's coming. I have White Snake. Here I go again. So this Emperor is a new one, as you said. New Emperor? Is it a new Emperor? I don't know where I'm going. Page of Cups. But I sure know where I've been. I do think it is. Hang on the promises and the songs yesterday. And I've made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time. Is this a good offer for this High Priestess? Here I go again. I see them trying to come up with another idea. Though I keep searching for an answer. I never seem to find what I'm looking for. So the 3 of Swords would... I pray you give me strength to carry on. So maybe their first approach didn't work. They came in all, what's up, baby? How you doing? And she's like, bitch, please. Here I go again. Okay. The world, like a drifter, I was born to walk alone. And I've made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time. Someone wants to comment. They're just trying to figure it out. Get their shit together. Aw, a 10 of Cups and 3 of Cups. They really want to, like, do this. They want to party and celebrate with you. And I'm going to hold on for the rest of my days. Because I know what it means. I'm all picturing Will Smith. Will Ferrell in Old School. Running naked. Will Smith. Maybe Will Smith will join him. Maybe it's Will Smith. Anyway. I'm sorry, Will Smith. I keep confusing people's names. I think that's just my life now. I've made up my mind. I ain't wasting Will Smith. Prevent blackheads. Here I go again. Page of Wands. He's so full of passion. He really wants to. Will Smith running naked, and the next card is Will Smith. Like I'm dying right now. Here I go! Okay. And they're being secretive about it. Usually I'll get like deception and bad energy off this card, but in this case I don't. This person's very nervous and they want to... I know what it means. This is a good energy. This is a good kind of deception. What's the outcome? I'm still picturing Will Smith running naked. I'm so sorry, Will Smith. The Lovers is the outcome. So cute. Oh my god. Does this High Priestess know? I don't think she fucking does. 5 of Wands competition. I feel like there's a lot of people who would want to date this High Priestess. She's pretty dope. She's got Betty Davis eyes. But she's using her discernment. You know, maybe people are approaching her, but she's picky. She knows what it means to walk along a lonely street of dreams. Here I go again on my own. Well, I definitely get the energy that both these people, here, we'll do the High Priestess, they're single. And they want to come to, or they want to come. A car wash. He wants to come together with her. I don't think she fucking knows. They might know each other, but I don't think she knows. The car wash. She's cleaning up, getting ready. Who sings this? Rose Wash. I was reading Car Wash. Rose Royce. It's a disco song. It's so cool. At the car wash, yeah. I want a disco room in my house someday. That's random. 4 of Swords. Car wash is 4 of Swords. At the car wash, yeah. Like someone's just getting ready. Getting his swords ready. Trying to come in like a king. You may never get rich, but let me tell you, it's better than being a bitch. That's what she said. I love it. I love that. Car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Car wash, yeah. So you have an Ace of Wands and an Ace of Coins. So I'm just getting their shit together so they can, you know, be ready for this one. They're working hard. They're working hard. Whether it's actually physically working on their stuff or if they're doing the inner work, building up the confidence, maybe laying off the tube socks and jergens a little bit, but they're trying to clean up. Car wash. Trying to clean up to be presentable for this bitch. I'm going to end it there. I heard work and work. Let's let this man work. He's trying to do something good. Seriously though, like calm down on the jergens and socks.